Hi friends, once again welcome back to another new video from Health and Key. Today in this video I am going to show you how to grow a pomegranate tree easily at your home. This is a pomegranate tree which is about 3 years old, which I have been grown from cuttings. I will show you the update on the growth of the pomegranate tree at the last of the video, so please watch this video until the end. First of all, you need to take a well matured cutting from the pomegranate tree. Make sure that you take a well matured stem cutting just as like this. After taking the stem cutting, the next step is to remove all the leaves from the cuttings which you have been taken. I am going to make 2 cuttings from the large one with about 3 inches in length. You can take cuttings with minimum length of 3 inches. Okay, now you should remove all the leaves from the cuttings using a knife or a cutter like this. Okay, now our cuttings for planting is almost ready. Now you should take the bottom of your cutting and then you have to make scratches using a knife or a blade just as like this. Please make sure that you make the scratches at the bottom of your pomegranate cutting. After making the scratches, you have to take a little bit of rooting hormone powder and then you have to add it into a little of water and dissolve your rooting hormone powder into the water. After making the rooting hormone solution, you have to place the pomegranate plant cuttings into the rooting hormone solution. Remember to place the cuttings in such a way that the scratched parts will touch to the rooting hormone solution. Take out the cuttings from the rooting hormone solution after 2 hours. Now you can plant the cuttings in the soil. You can plant it directly into the soil as I am doing now. You can make a hole in the soil or you can gently press the cuttings into the soil according to the type of soil which you are planting. And remember to provide a little bit of shade to your pomegranate cuttings. Don't plant them under direct sunlight and you have to water your cuttings regularly. After 45 days, this is how your plant cuttings will look like and you can grow this into an entire plant. This is how you can grow a pomegranate plant from its cutting at your home. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe.